The upside down stacking method works best with this wood stove. Start with small logs at the bottom and build up the stack with smaller sticks crisscrossing, and then stack smaller kindling and paper at the top. The idea is that you're trying to start the fire close to the flue at the top. The heating of the flue will create an upward draft, keeping the flames pulling upwards. Pile a fire starter near the top of the kindling. You can find some in the right side of the credenza, along with other light things to burn like newspaper, toilet paper rolls, and egg cartons you can rip into pieces to place at the top of your pile. Some birch bark also works well at the top. Light the fire starter and some of the kindling. After you've got the fire lit, let the door close loosely, but don't lock it yet. The fire needs that small crack of air to feed it and help the wood get well lit. If you lock the door too soon, the fire will get snuffed out and you'll need to relight it with more kindling. When the lower logs have started to burn, you can add another smaller or medium-sized log until you have a really good fire going, which usually takes about 20 to 30 minutes. Once you have that really good fire going, you can add another log and lock it. To lock the hinge, use the metal tool hanging on the fireplace tool stand. Fit it on and twist the tool to the right to a position that is perpendicular to the fireplace to push the door in. Then to lock it, you give it a twist to the left until the tool is at a 45-degree angle. Sometimes you have to gently jig it and twist it back and forth left and right to slide the hook in position and get it locked in right. Important note: when it's time to add another log to the fire, twist open the hinge and be sure to pull the door open very slowly because it's really easy for smoke to get in. By opening the door slowly, you keep that draft pulling the smoke up the flue. Open the door too quickly and you'll definitely get smoke in the room. Also, when you put in a log, be careful with the bigger, heavier logs. Always wear the black glove, and be careful not to hit those angled tiles at the top back of the stove. These tiles sit loosely and can be easily knocked off. You definitely don't want to have them fall in the middle of a raging fire. The next day, clean the inside of the glass with a slightly damp microfiber cloth or paper towel, using a bit of the ashes to scrub the dirtier areas.